Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jay. Hello, it's so nice to see you again.
Yes, very nice. How are you today, Jay?
I am good, thank you. I have my tea, I am happy. How are you, Anna?
I am good too, and today I am very excited.
Me too, today's topic is a big one.
Yes, today we learn how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Confidence, big word, but don't worry, we have easy tips, very simple.
Before we start, one small favor.
Please subscribe to our channel, Learn English with Jay and Anna.
And click like too, please.
And share with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, sharing helps us a lot.
Thank you, okay, Anna, let's start.
So, Jay, talking to a new person, how does that feel?
Honestly, a little scary.
I understand. Many people feel this way. I know, but step one is easy. Very easy.
What is it?
No words, just a smile.
A smile, okay, I can do that.
A smile says, I am friendly.
It says, I am a nice person.
Yes, when you smile, people feel good.
They feel safe, they feel relaxed.
So before words, smile first.
A small smile, a friendly smile.
And here is something nice. A smile is the same in every country.
Yes, in every country a smile means hello.
So step one, smile.
I am smiling right now, look.
Me too. Good job, everyone.
Okay, we smile, now we need one word.
Yes, a greeting word.
What word?
The easiest word is hello.
Hello, let's say it slowly. Hello, hello.
Hello, say it with me. Hello.
Hello, good, it is friendly, it is easy.
There is another word too. Hi.
Hi, just two letters, hi.
Hi is more relaxed, more casual.
So I can say hello, or I can say hi.
Yes, both are good.
Smile then hello, that's it.
And we have special greetings too. For the morning, good morning.
Good morning, easy.
For the afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And for the evening, good evening.
Good evening, not good night, that is different.
Yes, careful. Good night is for sleeping when you leave.
Good evening is for saying hello at night.
Good night is for saying goodbye before sleep.
Okay, so smile then a greeting. Hello, hi, or good morning.
Perfect, Jay. Now the other person says hello too. What is next?
This part is a little hard.
It's okay. It's easy, I promise. You say your name.
My name.
Yes, you say, my name is Jay.
My name is Jay. Okay, I can say that.
Good, now one more thing. You ask their name too.
How do I ask?
You say, what is your name?
What is your name? Okay, let's practice slowly.
Yes, I will be the new person. You start, Jay.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
My name is Jay. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
See, that was a real conversation.
It was easy. Smile, hello, my name is, what is your name?
4 small steps. You can remember them. Now one more easy question. Very common.
What is it?
How are you?
How are you? People ask this all the time.
Yes, and the answer is simple too.
What do I say?
You can say, I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you. Easy.
Or you can say, I am good.
Or I am great.
Yes, all of these work.
And then do I ask them too?
Yes, it is polite, you can say, and you.
And you, short and easy, I like it.
Let's practice again. You start.
Hello, Anna.
Hi, Jay, how are you?
I am great, thank you, and you?
I am good too, thank you.
Another conversation, we are doing so well.
Now, what if we want to talk more?
Yes, what do we say next?
We can talk about things we like.
Like what?
Easy things: food, colors, animals, music.
Okay, I can say, I like ice cream.
Good, and then ask them, do you like ice cream?
Let's try, Anna, I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do, I love it. What is your favorite flavor?
Chocolate, what is your favorite?
Mango, now we are sharing. Now we are talking.
This feels good.
And what if they say, no, I don't like it?
That's okay, you ask a new question. What food do you like?
Yes, try again. Easy.
Let's try animals too. I like cats. Do you like cats, Anna?
I do, I have a cat. Her name is Milo.
A cat named Milo. Nice.
See, easy and fun.
I can talk about colors too. My favorite color is purple. What is yours?
Orange.
Great, we can talk about so many things.
Music, sports, movies, always simple words. No big words needed.
Simple words are the best words.
Jay, I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Are you scared of making mistakes?
Yes, a little. What if I say a word wrong?
This is very normal. Many learners feel this.
So what can I do?
Here is the answer. Mistakes are okay.
Really, okay.
Yes, 100% okay. Even I make mistakes sometimes.
But English is your first language.
Yes, and I still make mistakes. It happens to everyone.
Wow, that makes me feel better.
A mistake means you're trying. Trying is good.
Like learning to ride a bike.
Yes, sometimes you fall, then you try again.
Speaking English is the same.
Yes, and most people are kind. They understand.
So I should not be scared.
No, be brave. A small mistake is okay.
Talking is the important part, not perfect words.
Yes, the goal is to connect, not to be perfect.
I feel better now, Anna, thank you.
You're welcome, be kind to yourself. That is the best tip.
Let's review slowly together.
Step 1, smile.
Step 2, say hello.
Step 3, say your name. Ask their name.
Step 4, ask how are you.
Step 5, talk about simple things. Food, animals, colors.
Step 6, don't be scared of mistakes.
That is our list. Easy steps.
And there is one more small tip.
What is it?
Listening.
Listening, but we are talking about talking.
Yes, but listening is important too.
That's true. A conversation is talking and listening.
When someone talks, look at them, listen closely.
How do I show I am listening?
You can nod your head like this.
Nodding, okay.
You can say small words too. Oh, wow, really.
Let's try. Jay, tell me something you like.
I like hiking on weekends.
Oh, wow.
Yes, just like that, it shows I am interested.
So listening is active, not quiet.
Yes, good listening helps the conversation.
Jay, I think the big idea today is start small.
Yes, start small, be friendly.
You don't need a long conversation. Even 2 minutes is good.
Saying hello at the bakery, that is a big success.
Yes, every small talk is a small victory.
Be proud of yourself, every time you speak you get stronger.
Like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it gets.
So practice everywhere, the train station, the library, the gym.
Anywhere there are people, you can practice.
And remember, you are not alone.
Every learner feels this way sometimes.
So be brave, be friendly, have fun.
English is a tool to connect with people.
I feel ready to talk to anyone.
You can do it too, just start with a smile.
This was a fun episode, Anna.
It was, thank you, Jay.
And thank you everyone for watching.
And if this video helped you, give it a little like. And maybe send it to a friend who's learning English too.
And remember, you don't have to speak perfect English, just keep trying one conversation at a time. Thanks for spending time with us today. We'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.